Saint-Rémy, known for its charm and love for the arts, buzzes with anticipation for the upcoming Parisian musical competition. Jacques, the village's resident inventor, unearths a hidden musical manuscript promising to revolutionize the musical world. Intrigued by the innovative musical ideas, Jacques begins to imagine an invention unlike any other. Jacques captures the interest of the Marquis de Beaumont, a renowned patron of the arts, with his blueprints. To skeptical eyes and amused whispers, Jacques unveils his blueprints for a revolutionary steam-powered organ. Despite Jacques' excitement, the villagers doubt the feasibility of his grand invention. As Jacques tries to reassure the villagers, his parrot, Napoleon, swoops in, snatching the blueprints and throwing the square into chaos. Jacques and a group of villagers embark on a wild chase after Napoleon, turning the streets into a comedic battlefield. With the mischievous parrot cornered, the village comes together in a tense standoff, eager to retrieve the stolen blueprints. Jacques snatches his blueprints from Napoleon, his victory ushering in a collective sigh of relief from the villagers. With the retrieved blueprints, Jacques works tirelessly to ready his steam-powered organ for the competition. With his invention on display, Jacques nervously anticipates the verdict of the esteemed competition judges. The moment arrives, and Jacques' organ fills the room with innovative music, leaving the judges in awe. The once skeptical villagers now lift a victorious Jacques in celebration, his genius finally recognized. With Jacques' melodies echoing through Saint-Rémy, the village lived in harmony, their days filled with the sweet symphony of innovation and triumph.